Whoa. What's up, guys? My name is Carlos. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel this week. Welcome back, guys. Today, what I have for you is a very exciting video because I feel like this video is coming from the bottom of my heart because I really want to make something for you guys for fall, and especially looking at all the trends that are coming out right now. We just started the fall season, which means that all these brands, all these new exciting products for fall is coming out, like trench coats and overcoats and all that good stuff. Zara's has actually launched their 2019 collection, which I was looking at and I was thinking, man, this is really cool. This is very trendy stuff. But then I was also thinking, like, this stuff's so expensive for what it is and the quality you're getting, that I figured instead of like doing a like Zara just came out video, fashion trend video, I would rather have done a little bit more research and look at actual pieces that kind of look like Zara, or that you're gonna get at Zara, or that Zara's campaigning for you guys, and find a good deal for you guys. So this video essentially is going to be a bargain finder video on trench coats and overcoats, outerwear essentially, which is what you guys are probably gonna be using and shopping for in the fall. So I found 5 to 6 amazing bargains with actually really good brands like Ralph Lauren. And let's go ahead and talk about this first product. They're gonna be right here. So listen up, guys. Let's talk about these overcoats. So the first overcoat is going to be this amazing Tommy Hilfiger jacket right here. It's a modern fit performance stretch flex red blue plaid overcoat, and I feel like this coat right here is serious business. I definitely like the cut. I feel like with this type of jacket, it's a really good fall jacket. It's a very good festive one as well. It's something that you could definitely wear with very muted color tones underneath it. Like this subject right here, the guy has a really sick turtleneck on and some gray pants and some black boots. Just an overall really clean fit. But the vibe that it gives out by piecing items together just makes it look very, very modern and classic. This very bold tone plaid looks really great, and I feel like it's very versatile in a way where you could style it very confidently and classically, like this guy's doing it, and obviously with a turtleneck and some black Chelsea boots. But also you could just wear it with a very monochrome color in terms of just like all black underneath or all gray or something like that, and it'll still look really good. This is something that you'll see like in Peaky Blinders, for example, and it'll really circulate in your wardrobe very well, and I feel like it'll just be very timeless, like I said. So this is actually Tommy Hilfiger as well, which is an amazing brand, and it retails at $3.95, but it's actually on sale for $119. So that's a really good deal, guys. I feel like that's an amazing deal for a jacket like this. I usually pay around $300, $400 for my jackets, for my trench coats, and I feel like if I could get any coat, especially Tommy Hilfiger, that makes amazing quality outerwear, I feel like this is something you guys should definitely take advantage of. So this jacket right here is awesome. Don't let the plaid scare you guys. This is an amazing piece. For this jacket, the link will be the first one. I'll basically go in order. So yeah, let's go. Now this next jacket is also a Tommy Hilfiger one right here, and it's a modern fit performance stretch as well. It's an overcoat, it's plaid, it's really nice, it's gray. I definitely like these colors. And the reason why I chose this one as well, which looks very similar to the other one, is just the inverted colors. I feel like for me, sometimes I would rather have more of a, depending on my wardrobe as well, depending on your wardrobe, this might fit a little bit better. So I figured that I put 2 really nice plaids out there for depending on what you got, what your guys' style and sensibility is. So I feel like if you guys are more into like the darker monochromatic looks on the grayer scale of things, and this is be something that's really good. It's also single-breasted 3-button, and it has a notch lapel, single-breasted 3-button closure. But I feel like something like this also have more of a year-round vibe to it, whereas like the darker one has more of like a fall one. This one you could definitely wear out whenever you want to be warm, dry, look smart, and it's water resistant as well. So it's a little bit more versatile in terms of the seasons, and I feel like this is something that you could wear with a lot of colors as well. It retails for $3.95, but you can get it for $119. So that's more than 50% off, guys, and that's a really good deal. This gray and navy plaid overcoat is awesome, and just check out the details, guys. Amazing, amazing products by Tommy Hilfiger. Let's go ahead and talk about the next one. Now this next is an amazing product by Ralph Lauren, and it's a Luke Wool Blend Classic Fit Peacoat. This looks amazing, guys. Honestly, check it out on the model right here. Just a very classic peacoat. They have multiple colors from medium gray, charcoal, navy, to black, and to navy plaid if you guys are into those plaids as well. I definitely will go with a medium gray. This one in this photo looks really sick. It has a 6-button double-breasted closure. It has 2 flat pockets. And I just feel like this jacket right here is a classic staple, especially like even in black will look great. black or navy will look amazing as well. So if you guys want something a little bit more casual, something that also is you could wear year round as well, depending on where you live and what type of weather you have. Obviously you can't wear this if it's super hot where you live, but this is a really good classic timeless piece right here that goes with a lot, and obviously it could be styled with so many things. All the bold color tones that they offer are also very versatile as well, so I don't think you can go wrong with any color that you choose. And the good thing is that they have a lot of different colors. The retail price is $350, but it's actually $119. So this is something that's going to go very well and something that you definitely need. So if you know anyone who needs a really sick peacoat, then you better let them know about this video, please. You can't really go wrong with any of the colors that they have, except for maybe the plaid one. I don't think I would get a navy plaid peacoat. I would go for more of a solid color, solid look, just so you know, you could just dress it up with whatever you want. And I feel like it's a little bit more, and also provide a little bit more of a longer value long term, because you probably won't like the plaid in 2 years, but you'll definitely like the black or the navy. So Ralph Lauren jacket, you really can't go wrong with the brand either. You know that they know how to make really good stuff. So yeah, that's all I can say about this jacket. Really cool. All right, now for the next piece, this is actually right here a Calvin Klein Men's Prosper X Fit overcoat. This is really cool. It comes with a lot of colors as well. This looks very similar to the one I have on right now. Actually, I feel like I should have got this one because I would have got a much better deal. Obviously, it has an extra slim fit cut through the shoulders and higher armholes for a narrow sleeve. So that means that it's not going to be baggy. It's going to be very, very fitting and conforming to your body. It's going to have that very modern look. It's not going to have that big, boxy, oversized one. So be careful with the sizing as well when you get it. It has a really sick center vent, which I have as well, notched lapels, 3-button closures, cuffs, lined interior, so that's always going to be good, and it just lasts longer. It'll keep your jacket a little bit more clean, a little bit more structured. I feel like that's really sick. And like I said, it comes with multiple colors. You have options from medium gray, burgundy, black, camel, navy, and a houndstooth, which is okay, and also a monarch red. That's very bold. I would actually think about getting the monarch red. That's actually pretty solid. But for you guys, I know that a lot of people, especially in the video that I made one time for my overcoats, everyone was asking for the camel coat, and I feel like this camel coat right here is something very similar to what I have on right now. Is actually a really good deal, and it's something that I promise you're not going to be disappointed when you get. And the brand's Calvin Klein as well. My trench coat that I had in that video was also from Calvin Klein, so I could definitely back up the brand by saying that it was made really well, and I still wear it to this day because you can't really go wrong. And like I said, the camel, black, and even medium gray. I say you guys go for the camel one. The price is $395, but it's actually $119 right now too. So that's a really good deal. Awesome products. There's a lot of sizes left too, guys, so make sure you go check that out before they sell out. This next product right here is so sick. Obviously, it's probably one of my favorite jackets that I found for you guys. It's a Ralph Lauren classic faux shearling overcoat. This is really sick. They're so in right now. I definitely have seen a lot of brands coming out with more shearling coats, and I feel like it's really hard to shop them, because if you go too inexpensive, then you're not going to get the quality of a really nice shearling overcoat, and maybe the fur is just going to be just a little bit nasty and not really good, and it looks cheap. But also, if you go for a really good high-end one, it's going to be very expensive as well. So I feel like it's kind of hard to find something, but I feel like Ralph Lauren definitely knows exactly what they're doing, especially for the price, guys. This used to retail at $495, but it's actually on sale for $149.99, which is insane. And it's a classic fit, button front closure, faux shell, polyester lining, polyester fleece, and it's machine washable, which is amazing. It's going to save you money when you try to clean it, or if you spill a drink or something on your jacket, or some girl bumps into you at the club trying to make out with you because your jacket looks so dope. You're going to be like, yo girl, it's all good, I can machine wash this, we could do it together. But I feel like this jacket right here just goes very well with a lot of things too. It's an ultimate staple. It's an ultimate classic. I feel like you could style it with so many things underneath it, and this is just something that you can happen to throw on without necessarily having to think about if it's going to look good or not. And it's something that you could definitely get and pair it with another trench coat. Maybe you'll get this with a camel coat. I feel like that's such a smart thing to do. Instead of buying something from Zara that's $300, $400, you might as well spend just a little bit more or a little bit less, but get something like this where it's a shearling overcoat and then a camel coat for your falls to come. And I feel like that's going to be the best you could get for your buck. And like I said, $149, guys, it's an amazing deal. It's an amazing deal, especially the brand Ralph Lauren. You can't really go wrong. So this jacket right here, I'm probably going to end up picking up. So if you wear a size 42, you guys better order it, because if not, I'm going to order it up for myself. And I will be stunning on Instagram. Seriously, guys, this one is such a good find, guys. I'm really proud that I found this jacket for you guys. So on to the next. All right, guys, this next find right here is a Ralph Lauren men's Edmund Classic Fit belted trench raincoat. It's black, it's timeless, it's superior, it's Ralph Lauren, it's really clean. It's really cool because the interior is actually removable. The interior vest is removable, so you could wash it, or if it gets dirty. It has double-breasted button closures, notched lapel, really clean, classic trench coat that you're definitely going to have for the rest of your life, probably, if you keep it clean. But I feel like this jacket right here is something that's really cool as well, because the brand's Ralph Lauren, and it's a trench coat. Everyone loves a trench coat. There's so many different ways of styling trench coats. There's so many uses for a trench coat as well. So you could either wear it very fashionable, or you could actually wear it with a purpose behind it. If you do live in areas that are very, very cold and that's necessary, then this is something you guys could definitely get. The retail price is $4.95, but it's on sale for $149.99. Are you out of your mind? I think they are. I think Ralph Lauren and Macy's are just going crazy right now. But I feel like this is such a steal, guys, and it's such a good find. This black coat right here is going to go with everything. They don't have more colors. It's just black, but I feel like that's everything you need. The cut, as you can see, goes slightly a little above the knees, which is exactly what you want, because anything longer than that is going to be maybe conformed for someone who's a little bit taller. But I feel like based on the sizes, if you're 40, obviously you're doing the measurements right. You know, it's not super long, and it's not super boxy as well, and it seems like it fits really cool. It has that classic fit, and you can't really go wrong with a trench coat. Especially you don't want it too slim either, because then usually, you know, you don't necessarily have the space for, you know, a blazer underneath it, or a turtleneck underneath, or a heavy wool, tweed, whatever underneath it. You're just not going to have room if it's too slim. So this classic fitted belted trench coat, raincoat is on point for $149.99. So you better hurry up and click away. Now, I obviously saved the best for last, because this one is actually very stylish. I feel like this is something I've seen at Zara as well. And I feel like this is something that a lot of people are going to like, and it's in right now. It's definitely in. And it's a men's slim brown faux suede overcoat. And I feel like sometimes buying a faux coat in general, like if it's faux leather or faux suede, is just a little bit better, because it doesn't get as damaged as real genuine leather. So I feel like sometimes, especially if you're buying something for inexpensive, maybe you want to try it out. You want to see if, you know, this leather jacket is going to make a difference in your life, or going to impact your wardrobe the way you think it is. So maybe spending something a little bit less and just doing a trial period with something that actually still looks good, is still trending, is still in. Other big brands, fast fashion brands, are selling them and making money off of them. You could definitely buy something that's a little bit better quality for half the cost of what they're selling it at retail. So I feel like this jacket right here is a Tilia faux suede overcoat, and it's really cool. It has some shearling on it as well. It has a bomber jacket style, very casual luxury with contrast trim. Also a modern slim fit, so it fits really good. It also has a 3-button closure, notched lapel, 2 front patch pockets, which are great to hold your phone, to hold your stuff in, and a center vent in the rear. You could definitely take advantage of something like this. It's $3.95 retail, but it's on sale for $119.99. So this is another amazing sale, and I saved this one for last just because the color's on point, and I feel like it's something that everyone is definitely going to be able to use and take advantage of and style it. You can wear it with a black, all black look with some sick Chelsea boots, all black Chelsea boots, leather Chelsea boots, and you'll look super fly. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this bargain find video. Obviously, I try to find good brands that have a really great history behind them, and something that is going to be quality, and not necessarily just share with you guys what the fashion trends are by fast fashion brands, because I feel like that's just kind of cheating you guys out of your money. I don't really shop fast fashion brands, to be honest with you, so I'd rather just save my chillings, save my money, and invest in something really cool. So these products right here that I share with you guys are very expensive. They retail over $300 plus, so I feel like for you guys to be able to get them at half that, I feel like that's so good, guys. So I highly suggest you guys take advantage of this sale right now, especially that's happening right now. Fall just started, so step your closet game up. for a very inexpensive price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you do like this video, make sure that you do subscribe, guys. And if you guys want to stop by my Instagram, you guys can. There's a lot of swipe ups to other stuff that are on sale right now as well that you guys could get a really good deal on. And I'm going to be doing those more often as well. So you guys can go ahead and find some bargain stuff with me that I share with you guys. So I'll be on top of that. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this video. All you guys don't have to leave a comment. Just leave a thumbs up button to let me know. Also, feel free to share this on Reddit for those good people who are good at using Reddit, because I feel like this is a good deal. So thank you guys so much. My name is Carlos Alberto. I appreciate you guys, Young Spades. I love you guys. Thanks everyone for sticking by me for this long period of time. I love you guys. I will see you guys very soon. I should go buy some more trench coats now. Bye bye. Bye bye.